Hey, thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel today to check out this video of Silver Sevens Casino and Hotel located in the Las Vegas area. This casino is about a 6-minute drive from the Las Vegas Strip. There's parking outside, nice parking lot, and you can actually see the Strip right from the parking lot and outside of the Silver Sevens Casino. So right now we're checking out this room right here. This is a double room. As you can see, once you first walk in here, the room is very spacious. There's a lot of just open space right here. When you walk in, you can see your closet areas is real open, so if you do got luggage, suitcases and things like that, you got plenty of space. You even got space to hang stuff up, just not private. And then you see you got all this space between the beds and kind of the television area and the dresser. So walking over here, it's nothing too special about the beds. The room was very clean. Again, I'm a travel agent, so I just go checking out different rooms sometimes in different cities, different places. Hit that subscribe button down below. You got the alarm clock, the phone, the lamp right there. I always like to have a plug by the bed. There is a plug on that lamp. There's the desk with a chair over that way. Also, there's like a plug on that lamp as well. This is like the bathroom area. Again, not too big in this area, but you do have the sink outside of the actual bathroom, tub and shower area. You know, they have a few toiletries, ice bucket, cups, dryer, a little mirror right there to see stuff up close when you're shaving, doing your eyebrows, I guess, all that good stuff. So this is the bathroom. Again, pretty basic, nothing special, no tub. Had a nice floor, and it was pretty clean in this room. So you can see there's the shower. Again, nothing too special, no tub. There were no extra toiletries inside the shower. This is the pool area. It says it's only open until 9 p.m. You do need a key to get inside the pool area. Also, the room that I was looking at was inside like one of the nicer towers or areas, because I did walk into one hallway and it looked like a jail, even though that tower I was in was pretty nice, but it still has this kind of look to it, you know. But this is the pool area. It's okay. It's just like, you know, normal Vegas pool areas. When it's sunny out, you're gonna catch all that sunshine. They ain't giving you too much shade because I guess they want you to pay for one of the cabanas out here. But these cabanas are probably some of the cheapest I've seen in Vegas, because it's like $17 during the weekday and I think a little over $27 on Friday and Saturday. I mean, you get a fan, you got the 3 chairs right there. There's a television. I guess you could drag some more chairs over there if you needed to, but it will keep you out the shade. I mean, I thought this was pretty cool too. They have a few of these out here with the fire pits. So you got the couches, the outdoor furniture with the fire pits, as well as there is a hot tub outside as well. The pool only goes to about, I think it was like 4 feet, and it was like, I think, a foot right there when you first walk in. But yeah, this is the area right here. Like I said, you can look right there. It tells you the price of the cabana rentals. They are super cheap, not that expensive. You can ball out if you come here if you want to, with a $27 cabana. There was like a little bit of music playing while we were touring this area. Again, oh, that's a half a foot. Yeah, it's a half a foot right there, so your kids can play right there. I think that only goes to like 4 foot. There is like bathrooms over there, and then to the right we're gonna swing around to see the hot tub. So a little chill spot, chill area out here. Nothing too special. Doesn't look too bad, but there's the hot tub right there. Hit that subscribe button. Peace.